My role as a speaker is not just to entertain, but it is to inform and to inspire. And it is to inspire women to be able to take control of their lives, be able to have a voice, and then share that voice and that message with the world. To have that confidence within themselves that they know that what they have to say and who they are is vital and important to be heard. Having spoken on many stages around the world, my message has always been for women to possess an unlimited level of confidence, to recognise that they can have a work-life balance, that they don't have to feel like they're an imposter in their own world. They can have the success, they can be leaders, and they can have the business of their dreams. And I do this through keynote presentations, through training sessions, on forums and on boards. If this is something that you believe will be very vital to your audience to hear, then please get in touch with me, Janine Vosper. Go to speechperfect.com.au for all of the details. Thank you.